What are the challenges in investigating and prosecuting police misconduct? When it comes to investigating and prosecuting police misconduct, there are many hurdles to overcome. These challenges become even more pronounced when viewed through a libertarian lens, which emphasizes individual rights and accountability. One major issue is the legal doctrine known as qualified immunity. This doctrine protects police officers from personal liability unless they have violated clearly established constitutional rights. This makes it tough to hold officers accountable in court. Libertarians argue that this protection is an unfair privilege that prevents victims from seeking justice and reduces the motivation for police to respect individual rights. They advocate for eliminating qualified immunity to encourage personal responsibility among law enforcement. Another significant challenge is the culture within police departments. There is often a strong sense of solidarity and loyalty among officers. This can make it difficult for officers to report misconduct by their colleagues. When departments prioritize their reputation over transparency, it can obstruct independent investigations and delay disciplinary actions or prosecutions. Additionally, many investigations are conducted internally by police departments, raising concerns about impartiality. Without independent civilian review boards or external prosecutors, conflicts of interest can arise. This can undermine public trust and the fairness of investigations. Proving misconduct is also complex. Police work often involves split-second decisions made under pressure. Distinguishing between justified use of force and misconduct requires careful examination of evidence, witness testimony, and sometimes conflicting accounts. This complexity can make prosecution difficult, especially when legal standards grant officers broad discretion in their actions. Political and public pressure can further complicate matters. Prosecutors may feel pressure to either pursue charges aggressively or avoid them to maintain good relations with police unions. This can lead to inconsistent applications of justice and perceptions of bias. Current legal frameworks often protect not just individual officers, but also their departments from liability. Libertarians suggest that removing doctrines like the Monell Doctrine, which limits municipal liability, could ensure police departments have strong incentives to enforce high standards and properly train their officers. From a libertarian perspective, one practical reform is requiring police officers to carry professional liability insurance, similar to doctors or lawyers. This would create financial consequences for misconduct and encourage better behavior, as insurance premiums would reflect risk. In summary, the challenges in investigating and prosecuting police misconduct include legal protections that shield officers, cultural barriers within police departments, difficulties in proving wrongdoing, and political influences. Libertarians advocate for removing special legal immunities, increasing accountability, and using market-based tools like liability insurance to ensure police respect individual rights and face consequences for violations.